In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to add a logo to multiple photos automatically using Adobe Photoshop. If you are a photographer, content creator, or small business owner, you know how incredibly tedious it can be to manually open every single image just to place a watermark or a branding logo on it. Fortunately, Photoshop has a powerful automation system called Actions and Batch Processing that allows you to do hours of work in just a few clicks. By the end of this video, you will be able to watermark hundreds or even thousands of images while you sit back and relax. This method is perfect for maintaining consistency across your brand and protecting your creative work from unauthorized use. If you find this video helpful today, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more time-saving software tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get started and dive straight into the workflow. The first major phase of this process is recording the action. You can think of an action as a sequence of recorded steps that Photoshop can memorize and play back later. To begin, open any single image from your set in Photoshop to serve as your template. Once your image is open, navigate to the top menu bar and go to Window and then select Actions. This will open the Actions panel. At the bottom of this panel, you will see a small folder icon. Click it to create a new set if you want to stay organized. Then click the plus icon, which is the Create New Action button. A dialog box will appear asking you to name the action. I recommend naming it something clear, like Add Logo to Photos. Once you hit the record button, Photoshop is now watching every move you make, so follow these next steps precisely. Now that we are recording, it is time to add your logo. Go to the File menu and select Place Embedded. This is better than a simple copy and paste because it keeps the logo as a smart object, preserving its quality. Browse your computer, select your logo file, and click Place. Once the logo appears on your photo, you can move it to your preferred corner and resize it using the transform handles. Hold the Shift key if you're on an older version to maintain proportions, or just drag the corners in newer versions. Once it's perfectly positioned, hit the Enter key to commit the placement. Now this is a very important part. Go back to your Actions panel and click the square Stop icon. Your action is now saved and ready to be used on a massive scale. If you are enjoying this guide so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop mastery. Now that our action is recorded, we move into the second phase, which is running the batch process. This is where the real magic happens. You do not need to keep any photos open for this part. Simply go to the File menu, navigate down to Automate, and then select Batch. A large window will pop up with several critical settings. First, in the Play section, ensure the action set and the action you just recorded are selected. Next, look at the Source section. Change this to Folder, and then click the Choose button to select the folder on your computer that contains all the photos you want to process. Beneath that, you will see the Destination section. I highly suggest creating a brand new output folder on your desktop so you do not accidentally overwrite your original files. Set the destination to Folder as well. Click Choose and pick that new empty folder you created. There are a few checkboxes here like Suppress Open Options dialogues, which I recommend checking so the process doesn't stop every time it opens a file. Once you have double-checked your folders, click the OK button. Now, look at your screen. You will see Photoshop opening images, placing the logo, and saving them at lightning speed. It's essentially doing all the manual labor for you. Depending on the amount of photos and your computer speed, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. Once the screen stops flickering and Photoshop goes quiet, you are finished. You can now navigate to your output folder and see that every single photo has your logo perfectly positioned in the exact same spot. This automation technique is a total game changer for your productivity. If this video helped you save time today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss a tutorial. If you have any questions about batch processing or ran into any issues, leave a comment below and I will do my best to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.